It is slightly different but very interesting. When a cell whose EMF is not known, whose internal resistance is not known, is connected across 12 ohm resistor, in fact, the current is 2 ampere. But when one more resistance of 6 ohm is in parallel with 12 ohm, the current becomes 3 ampere. Find EMF E and internal resistance of the given cell. Case number 1, when the cell alone is connected, EMF God knows, internal resistance also is not known. But when external resistance is how much? 12 ohm. If this cell is connected across 12 ohm, the current will become how much? 2 ampere. With this picture, 2 ampere current is flowing. What is the formula for current? I is equal to, or we will call I1 is equal to EMF upon external resistance plus internal resistance. What is the value of current? 2. EMF we do not know. What is the value of resistance? 12. Internal resistance how much? Question mark. This one if you simplify, 12 2s are 24. 2 into R is 2R, must be equal to E. Call it as equation number 1. Equation 1. Case number 2, what is done? Case 2, for the same cell, what is done? Already R1 is equal to 12 ohm is there. Apart from this, they have connected one more resistance in parallel. One more resistance in parallel across R1, whose name is R2, whose value is equal to how much? 6. Now what happens in parallel combination? If only one resistance was there, more resistance, less current. Now what happens? If you connect two resistances in parallel, total resistance is less. Resistance becomes less, smaller than the smallest. 6 se become. Total resistance decrease. When resistance decrease, opposition decrease, current will increase. So that current is given now as I2 is equal to how many amperes? 3 amperes. See, current has increased. If this is the case, they have asked what is EMF and internal resistance of the cell. How to write the equation for this one is RP is equal to this parallel combination resistance R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, that is 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, 4 ohm. Therefore, in this entire circuit, R1 R2 have gone, they should be replaced by how much? RP. Therefore, circuit we can draw like this: EMF small r question marks only. What is total resistance now? R1 R2 have gone. Instead of them, we should connect RP is equal to how many ohm? 4 ohm. And current I2 happens to be how much? 3 ampere. How do you write the current formula for this circuit? Applying Ohm's law, I2 is equal to E divided by external resistance plus internal resistance. Current is already given, that is 3. EMF is how much? How much is the value of EMF? We don't know. What is the value of external resistance? 4. Internal resistance we don't know. This will be cross multiplied. 3 4s are 12 plus 3R is equal to E as it is. Call it as equation number 2. Subtracting 2 from 1, equation 1 minus equation 2 gives what? (24 minus 12 is 12). 2R minus 3R is minus R. E minus E is 0. This small r taken on that side, so it will be 12 ohm. So internal resistance is how much? Internal resistance small r is equal to 12 ohm. So this is first answer. Well, how to get EMF now? Using one, E is equal to 24 plus 2R. 24 plus 2. What is the value of internal resistance? It is 12. 24 plus 24 is 48 volt. EMF is how much? 48 volt. Almost similar story. See, when a cell is connected, internal resistance not known, EMF not known. When the cell is connected across 15 ohm, the PD means potential difference or voltage is 10 volt. But when a resistance of 5 ohm is connected in series with 15, already 15 was there, one more is connected in series, potential difference becomes 12 volt. It has become 12. Find EMF and internal resistance of the given cell. Case number 1. Case 1. Cell is connected whose EMF God knows, internal resistance also God knows. Question mark. When this cell is connected across the resistance of how many ohm? 15. The terminal PD becomes, V becomes how many volts? V becomes how many volts? 10 volt. Now, what is our current formula? I1. What is current formula? If at all current is I, EMF upon external resistance plus internal. But what we'll do is, for simplicity, multiply here and here with R and R. In fact, R1 and R1. What is I1 R1 called? I1 R1 is called, IR is called V1. So we should write it as V1. This one is written as it is in fact, ER1 divided by R1 plus R. Call it as 1. What is the value of V1, children? 10. What is the value of EMF? We don't know. What is the value of external resistance? 15. 15 plus small r. Here 5 2s are 5 3s are. So it will become 2 is equal to 3E, whole thing divided by 15 plus R. Cross multiply, 15 2s are 30 plus 2 into R is 2R, must be equal to 3E. Call it as equation number 2. Using equation 1, I hope you have understood. Same story, no change only. Case number 2, what is done, children? Case 2. Case 2, same cell, same resistance internal. What they have done is, apart from R1, they have connected one more resistance, that is R2. What is first resistance? 15 ohm. Second resistance is connected in series, whose value is how much? 5. It is 5 ohm. In this case, terminal PD becomes V2 is equal to how many volts? 12 volts. Voltage becomes more. V is equal to IR. Since resistance is more, voltage is more. What might have been the current? Current might have been I2. Use this similar equation for this. V is equal to ER upon R plus R, standard formula. V2 can be written as ER2 upon, please pardon me, find equivalent resistance of these two. That will be RS is equal to R1 plus R2. That is 15 plus 5, that is 20 ohm. RS. This circuit becomes E as it is, R as it is, What is the value of RS? 20 ohm. What is potential drop now? V2 is equal to 12 volt. How do you write V2 formula? ERS upon RS plus R. Same equation. How this has come, I will not explain. It is explained here. Same step has been carried there. What is the second voltage? 12. EMF we do not know. What is series combination? Resistance, that is 20. 20 plus small r. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20, 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. This 20 plus r as it is, cross multiply. 60 plus 3r is equal to how much? 5e. Call it as equation number 3. How to simplify 2 and 3 is, we'll eliminate r. Small r will eliminate. How to do that? Equation 2 is multiplied with 3 and 3 is multiplied with 2, value 2. Equation 2 into 3 minus equation 3 into 2. This is equation, these are values. Now what will happen? 30 into 3 will become 90 plus 2 into 3 will become 6r. 3e into 3 is how much? 9e minus equation 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 2 into 60, 120 plus 2 3s are 6r. 5 2s are 10e. 90 minus 120 is minus 30. 6r minus 6r is 0. 9 minus 10 is minus e. Implies EMF is equal to 30 volts. I shall write here some. This step I will take here. Implies E is equal to 30 volt. Substitute E. Therefore, equation 2 becomes, what will happen to equation 2? 30 plus 2R must be 2E. 2E means, 3E. 3E, E is how much? 30. So that will become 2R is equal to 30 into 3 is 90. 90 minus 30 is how much? 60. Implies R is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30 ohm. So EMF is 30 volt, internal resistance is 30. God knows, so much high internal resistance we have got. Let it be. So these are the answers. Tomorrow again we will continue with problems. Not tomorrow, tomorrow I will rest. Take the rest because Sunday. After solving this, please, it is your responsibility to solve it on the book compulsorily. And nowadays, see, I am experiencing some different thing. Whatever I teach online, in the sense on the YouTube, I believe you are understanding so easily. As if I teach in the class, you are understanding the similar things. Here, speed is only the problem. In classroom, it is revision. I will not revise it because you only can reverse it and see again and again. So that is my belief. Go through these problems. If you face any difficulty, I am there always for you people. Okay? Thank you.